How to change the background on a Roblox computer. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the background on a Roblox computer. First, open up the Roblox application on your computer. Now, go to the New tab and type in Chrome Web Store in the search bar. After that, click on this first link in the results. Now, go to the search bar and enter Stylish. Next, navigate to the extensions page. After that, simply, you need to open this extension. Then click on the Add to Chrome button on the right side. Next, click on Add Extension in this window. Now, just wait a bit until the download is done. Next, you need to go to your Roblox application. Here, click on the extensions icon at the top right corner and simply pin this extension. Then, simply open up this extension and here you have the My Styles, Gallery, and Editor options. After that, click on the See All Styles button at the bottom. Here, you can go to the Roblox Themes page. To add a Roblox theme, just browse through the options and select the one you prefer. Here, I'm selecting this one. Now simply click on the Install Style button at the bottom. After that, click on the Check It Out button at the bottom of your page. Now, it will take you directly to Roblox, where you will see that the background has been changed to the selected theme. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.